Okay, this is exercise 3. We're going to draw a couple of basic buildings and change a roof or two. All right, to build a basic building, all you have to do is, now we already have our sidewalks in, and we're going to be building right on this line, okay? So I want you to create a front face. Don't forget a front face is a flat shape. Now straight up. Now we are building buildings, so most of them tend to be square or rectangle. So I'd like you to build one on the left-hand side. Nice rectangle. Okay, not too big, gives it a little bit of depth. All right, now in the beginning, I said that in order to create the orthogonal lines that go back to the vanishing point, we connect the points that go to the vanishing point, that don't go through the building. All right, so this corner, this corner, this corner, we already have a line there, so we don't necessarily need to put it. So we're going to connect the other ones. All right, now we need to put our back edge, all right? So our front edge are flattened down, so I'm going to come back here, go flat, and go straight down. Now just a reminder, if you can't get a straight line up and down, remember to line up your paper with your ruler, and you'll get nice straight lines, okay? Last thing you need to do, let's switch pencils, is erase the excess orthogonal lines. Beautiful. Now on the right side, we're going to make another one, but we're just going to make this, oops, pardon me. This one's going to be a little bit smaller and wider. Okay, so we're going to go straight up and make this a nice wide building. Could be a bowling alley, or it could be just a wide building. Okay. All right, let's connect the points to the vanishing point. Beautiful. I'm going to make this a really long building, so our back edge lines are going to come way back here. And downwards. Okay, please erase the excess lines. Now, one thing you can do when you are designing your buildings is actually layer, add another building on top. So, for example, let's say we want another spot right here, and then we'll change up this roof line, okay? Right here I want to build another front face. Oh, I keep moving the paper, I apologize. So, I'm going to build another front face, another square, okay? This one's going to be really tall. I think I go over the horizon line, okay? Now this is just layering, okay? Now, this line right here, we got to get rid of it. You cannot see through this building, so that's one thing. All right, let's connect our points to the vanishing point. So this bottom goes back, top right here goes back. Beautiful. Now this back line right here is kind of important. It tells us where to not extend our walls, okay? So you want to put your back edge probably before that point. So I'm going to go right before it. Now, this does extend up. I cannot connect these points, so I'm only seeing one side, and I'm going to erase. Okay. Oh, this one too. All right, so those are basic buildings. If you'd like to change the roof line, you can. What you would do is, instead of doing the basic, square shape, you can build a triangle on top. So build the triangle, okay. You're going to connect this point to the vanishing point. Let's connect that. Okay, now this back corner, I'm going to copy this angle right here. And just erase the excess lines. Okay, so that is basic building design and changing a roof line.